Namaste Sharanya Ganapati. And very Indian family, everyone says, and especially in in-laws family and mother, not mother-in-law, in-laws, everyone, mother's family, everyone says, hey, when is the good news? When is good news? I don't know whether really it's the good news for them, but they'll ask this. But no one is really ready to understand you. No one is ready to help you. What kind of help I can do? Of course. Yeah. So, intangibly, you can say, okay, if you see that scanning and all, you can see some egg and sperm, how it is going, kind of thing, whatever it is. But, of course, along with that, your mindset is very much important. Mindset is very, 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 very much important. Okay, so let us see how to deal and what to go about it. Before going that chapter, subject, see, a few of the, supermom and super dads, few of you, are already exhausted so many ways, like, physically exhausted. Why I am addressing this means, already exhausted, you didn't reveal it, you didn't address it, still you're exhausted, mentally exhausted, but you yet to release it, yet to address it. Yeah. And spiritually also means all my dear super friends here belongs to different that religious, and based on their religious, they are doing their level best for observing all the fastings and performing yajnas, pujas, tabas, praying their Lord Almighty like anything, Allah and Jesus, whatever it is, Krishna. After doing everything, still they are waiting, but they don't know what to do after this. And if something is happening with physically and mentally, we can go and talk to the God, just in front of God we can talk, this is happening for me, please help me, be with me, But after following all the spiritual practices also, if you don't get good news, what kind of feel all the moms and dads have then? So psychologically also, they are getting so much of confusion, what to do, what not to do after that and all. So many times you feel that, nobody can understand. Of course, nobody can understand. And especially that, as I told you earlier, the taboos and social stigmas around it. Even you are not getting proper and needed information from your loved one. Maybe sometimes your husband, if he is a doctor, he may share, or if your wife, she is a doctor, and clinical aspect and physiological aspect, she can talk. But what about that emotional aspect and the psychological aspect, emotional well-being, psychological well-being, and sexual well-being? Who is ready to talk about that? Yeah. And also, when someone asks you, do you have any kids? See, my dear, it's really, really, really paining for you. And sometimes I tell you, my dear, when I tell you, it's very hard to accept it, but we should. Sometimes it's time for us to accept the truth. Just imagine that when you get a call from your very friend, your very close friend, telling that she is pregnant. Of course, after listening that, immediately you'll get joy. Just say, yeah, congratulations, my dear. And once you utter a word, very within you, something will tell you, why not you then? Why not you then? She got conceived, why not me then? What I did? What's wrong with me? And then, of course, after keeping the phone down, you are happy for her pregnancy. The same time, you are feeling little, why not me? Why not me? And you are blaming yourself. Am I a good friend or not? I'm supposed to be very happy, but why should I get this kind of? I feel little sad. I feel kind of little jealous. Am I a good girl? Is it okay to behave like this? Oh my God! And then immediately you are just hiding. You don't even let your thoughts come out. Immediately shut. You are not a good. Come on. Just okay. And then you buy some good gifts for her, and you go to that baby shower function for her baby shower function. One thing I must tell you, my dear, all my super moms and super my friends here, definitely I'm just praying the Lord Almighty to have a healthy natural conception for you all. Once you get conceived, I tell you, when you invite your friends and relatives, once you get pregnant, all your friends and relatives, they become great of great doctors. They'll shower all the free ideas for you. Eat this, eat that. My sister-in-law, eat that. I had this, wear this, buy these things from there. They become super expert. And especially when you go for your baby shower function, for your of your friend, all your other friends, already those who get conceived and they're pregnant and they deliver the baby, they'll give tons of advice for her. But you don't know what advice to give. You are just standing. And people around you, after attending her thing, immediately they turn towards you and say, hey, when are you going to give the good news? Why the delay? And that even, it hurts you. Yeah, don't delay, yaar. Why you are doing like this? Inside you want to tell, yeah, I didn't delay. You know that what are things I am doing? Why don't you understand? What are the pain I am going through? How can I explain you? Who say that I am not trying? Have you seen everything what I have done? But you can't say that to them. And very Indian family, everyone says, and especially in-laws family and not mother-in-law, in-laws, everyone, mother's family, everyone says, hey, when is your good news? When is good news? I don't know whether really it's the good news for them, but they'll ask this. But no one is really ready to understand you. No one is ready to help you. What kind of help I can do? Of course. Why the delay? Can I come and help you? Can I give some suggestions? No one will do that. Even if you go and ask them, they feel, I'm busy, I'll come later. No one is ready to help you. That time you feel like crying. You want to disappear from the scene. You feel like frozen. You feel like paining. You want to rush to the bathroom and you want to shed tears. But still, standing still and just putting all the smile on your face and, smiling. Just acting out. You are not allowing your very own emotion to let out, let out. Let out. How many of is it make sense? I'm talking right? Yeah? Yes. See, and then what happened, You wait to finish that function. Just you run to our house and you throw your slippers here and there. You go to that bed and throw your handbags and just, fall in that bed and you cry for sometimes. Just for 15-20 minutes. Sometimes it may long for 25 minutes. That's it. And then immediately you will wipe your tears like, come on, let me get pregnant.